Okay, so to change your battlefield emblem and make a custom emblem, it's kind of different now than what it used to be. The old way would be come here and to trust the old battle log and change it. Battle log still works, of course, for everything, but except for emblems because they updated it to this. Try new emblems in Battlefield Companion. They updated Battlefield Companion for Battlefield 1, but they never actually said that changing your Battlefield 4 emblem would have to be through there. You go to there, and none of these emblems that you have on Battle Log will appear on the Battlefield Companion, which is strange. But I mean, if you click it and you get the thing, you open it, and it's gonna take you to this website, Battlefield 1. It's gonna say Battlefield 1, but this crosses over to Battlefield 4, and you click Companion app. Wait for it to load. Now that we've loaded up, it's gonna ask you to log in. Okay, now that we've loaded up Battlefield Companion, it's gonna bring us to the screen where it shows us all our medals, and we're just gonna click down here where it says emblems. And we're gonna have all these emblems. I know I have a bunch of anime emblems. You gotta remember what you're fighting for, right, boys? Okay, but enough of the shenanigans. You're gonna climb right here into the add button, and it's gonna bring out a blank canvas, and you're gonna have, it's just a regular emblem editor. Now, where do you get custom emblems? Well, it's exactly the same as how you did it in Battle Log. You just go right click on the canvas and you hit inspect. And it's going to bring up this console or the elements to inspect. You're going to click console and you're going to look up whatever battlefield emblem you wanted. You can come over here to emblemsbf.com. You're going to click any emblem you want. And here's where the thing that changed that nobody has updated for some reason. It says code for Battlefield 4 and Hardline. It's actually code for, so basically for Battle Log, that's what the code was for Battlefield 4 and Hardline. But now, since we've switched over, we're going to have to use the code for Battlefield 1. So we're going to select everything and control copy. Then we're going to head over to Battlefield 1 Companion, wherever it was, this one, where we had the console open, and we're going to paste or right click paste, however you paste. Then you're going to see all the giant text appear, and we're going to just hit enter. And it's going to say undefined. It's going to glitch out for a second. It's going to spawn everything in. And that's how you have it. You're just going to click OK, and it's going to take you back to the screen, and you can just close off the terminal now, and it should show your thing. You go back down to emblems, and it should appear right there. You can just click it and equip, and now it should be all in your guns. Now, one thing though that I want to mention before this, because I actually had a lot of trouble with this one. If you go to make one, I didn't know this because I started on a new account, and I didn't know that would have been a trouble. A lot of people had trouble with it. Let me look it up. Okay, so you probably saw this emblem that was in the back of my battle log. So when we're gonna do here is we're gonna copy the Battlefield 1 code, and we're gonna go back there, and we're gonna click and hit enter. It's gonna say undefined error. It used to say error undefined. I don't know why it's saying that now, but if we try that, it didn't work. We copy the Battlefield Hardline code, or Battlefield 4 code. We're gonna click it. There it is. Uncaught reference error because emblem is not defined. So what I found out that this means is that the emblem, one emblem character or multiple emblem characters there are ones you don't own. So you know how you unlock emblems throughout the battle pack where it says, oh, new emblem character unlocked. So let's say if this little jet, I think that's a base one, but okay, you understand. If you're missing it and the art requires this one, it's just gonna tell you error. So it's not gonna be there. That's basically it. It's not gonna work if you don't have the emblem. So if you don't have it and the error happens, I guess the only thing to do is just to go find another one. I mean, there's a lot. You'll probably find one you like, but I mean, that's about it. There ain't much to do. Play more, unlock more emblems. Eventually you'll get it, and eventually just keep checking back on it. Just keep making sure that you still have it. But that's about it. That's actually just it. You gotta remember what I'm fighting for, and that's it. I wanna say I think it's okay.